Hello, web fans. Welcome to Wildwood Dealer Trains. It's November 24th, 2021, and then we have Marangi ready to load right here in New Windsor, New York, and he's getting ready to dump that with this cold morning.
What's up?
This Marangi dump set right here is very load on that container right here, and then after that, he had to pick it up a little bit in case there's something in there. In case there's something in there. When that happens before, and they had to dump some more right here, or they just ran an emergency. Something wrong for the disposal. And then he just went down to an emergency to check to see his disposal's working. But 2 liters later, he will come back. And 2 hours later, garbage disposal is working this time, better than before. Alright, that's the end of the video of the Marangi garbage disposal number 145. And if you like garbage disposal here, hit the like, share, comment. If you have already, subscribe to Wildwood Dealer Trains on YouTube. Thanks for watching and stay safe, everybody.
That's it.